Honestly, it's so impressive. Yeah, any factory production line like this is just full of making stuff, fabricating stuff, manufacturing stuff. Oh, it's phenomenal. How long does it take to produce a lock from absolute scratch?
Probably 3 hours.
3 hours from a blank piece of metal?
Yeah, from a blank piece of metal onto the track ready to go abroad in about 3 hours.
You've got some piece of old-fashioned technology here which you don't really expect, and something which is kind of modern and automated almost. I think what I like about this also is the fact that, you know, having a sponsor, I mean, you know, John Squire support me on my various journeys, is the fact that, you know, you see the process at the very beginning, you see the fundamental processes, how the thing's made, and then you get an understanding of what its capabilities are. Because I've been locking my bike in about 6 continents of the world, and the most important thing is to make sure that that bike doesn't get stolen. You know, it's really important to me. Without that, the project ends. What's the lifespan of these locks?
10-year guarantee,
yeah.
but before I've made it, 50.
Yeah. So basically, because of what you're doing, you're effectively hand testing every bit, every component in it. Yeah. So when it leaves here, it's been done by you, right?
Yeah.
That's it. Your stamp of approval. A huge sense of heritage with all of this, isn't it?
Yeah, amazing, really. I mean, 8 generations, family business, you know, father, son, all the way down, so quite unique. Yeah.
I mean, what I like about this, John, is the fact that I've got you as a sponsor, you know, and to have you guys behind me is, you know, a sense of real pride, actually, to be honest.
Same thing, you know, it's great to be involved with yourself. You know, you are the Indiana Jones of the motorcycle fraternity. It was great, you know, and it's all about, you know, adventure and toughness, which all sort of is symbolic of the type of products that we like to be associated with. So, you know, it's great. British company, British adventurer, you know, it's a great combination.
So this is the SS100, the closed shackle version.
And this is reputably going to become, and will be, the strongest padlock in the world.
Yeah.
And you designed it?
Yeah.
I'm very pleased to meet you. Yeah, that's amazing. Thank you very much indeed. I mean, I'm not taking this particular lock on my travels, actually, Jim. I'm taking a smaller one, but it's 4.5 kilos, right?
Yeah.
But, you know, what's the tensile pull? That's a technical term, isn't it, to break this lock? What is it?
Our machine that we do tensile testing on pulls up to 20 tons.
Wow.
And our SS80 lock, which you've already seen, which currently is the strongest lock in the world, pulls around about 17 or 18 tons. This beats the machine, so we had to take it to somewhere else to get it to pull at 24 tons.
Now I've got a canal boat. I've got a canal boat, and you could actually put you know, webbing round the canal boat and attach it to a crane, and you could attach it to that, right? My boat's 20 tons. You're telling me it could lift my canal boat? In principle, because that's the equivalent of a tensile pull, isn't it? What it can lift. Yeah. And you're confident it wouldn't break.
Yeah.
That's extraordinary.
Yeah.
I can't believe it. We're going to try that one of these days. We're going to attach this to a crane in a canal boat, and we're going to lift it out of the water and see what happens. I hope you're right.
This is unbelievably heavy.
Wow. This isn't the lock I could actually find on, but I couldn't actually take this with me around the world. But you know, my bike wouldn't get stolen with this, would it? You know, but the actual lock I'm going to take is going to be lighter than this. It's 14mm links and so forth, and you know, we're going to have some fun with it, John. We're going to lock it to all sorts of things. You know, a camel's leg.
It's going to be well travelled by the time it gets back.
A lot of laughs. Great fun. What a pleasure.